I know you invest in value. We'll talk about your portfolio in just a moment. But just very quickly, tell us why you think we're poised for a pause here.
Good morning. We think the market's going to take a breather from here. 2020 was strong across the board. MSCI China up around 26%. A good portion of that gain was driven by multiple expansion. So 80% of that gain in 2020 was multiple expansion, and 20% was from earnings growth, EPS growth. That shows that a lot of that gain was liquidity driven, and that may not be sticky. So we would see into 2021 that some of the sectors that ran up a lot may see a correction, and overall the market may have a more muted year as compared to 2020.
I guess just to talk about your portfolio now, I mean, last time we spoke, I think it was just over 2 months ago. You guys like the not so popular kids, the sort of non-consensus calls. Now, I have to say, though, since then, a lot of people have sort of turned around, have pulled money out of the big tech names, for example. So the not so popular kids have become sort of popular. What do you like now?
Yeah, so we had a good year. We were up around 45% in 2020, so we outperformed the index substantially. And interestingly, we're seeing a very, very interesting phenomenon. So the MSCI China, the upside was driven by multiple expansion by 80%. Our portfolio is reversed. So in our portfolio, we see that 80% of the gain was driven by earnings growth, by EPS growth, and only 20% by multiple expansion. So our portfolio-wide went from trading at around 13.8 times to currently at 15 times. So we believe that, as a fundamental investor, we're quite comfortable where we are, and we see continued upside going into 2021. As you pointed out, we're the non-consensus guys. We like the growth stocks that are trading at attractive valuations. We try to invest in high growth with a value overlay. So sectors we like include property management services. We like some of the sporting good manufacturers. We like some of the higher education providers. And we also like some of the apparel names. But overall, the theme we're looking at is more of what we've always invested in. So growth with value and more undercovered and non-consensus names.